I bet everyone have known of this dish. This is Pad Kra Pao chicken version. Let's get started. Here are our ingredients. We have vegetable oil, minced chicken, plain water, blended garlic and chili mixture, big chili. You can use both the colors or choose either one. Holy Basil, oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce, sugar, and lastly, dark soya sauce. You can straight away use minced chicken, but as for me, I'm going to mince it by myself using this chicken thigh. It is very important that your minced chicken has fats in it because that's what makes it so delicious. So if you're going to self-mince like me, make sure that your chicken is skin on. For the garlic and red chilies, you can coarsely blend them like this, or you can roughly chop them and use them straight away. Now that we have this, we can start cooking. Stir fry garlic, red chilies in some vegetable oil on high heat. And then you can add in your minced chicken, followed by some water. Stir fry on high heat. Since we are using minced chicken, they really don't take that long to cook at all. When they look like they are nearly done, you can lower down the heat and add in all of the seasoning ingredients. We add in dark soya sauce mainly for its color. When it is well combined and looking real nice, you can then give this a taste test and adjust accordingly. Once you're satisfied, you can then add in the big chilies and holy basil. You can use regular basil if you really can't find holy basil, but I recommend you to get a hold of them. Once these two is in, you can then immediately turn off the heat, and it's ready to be served. The flavors in our recipe is moderate, so you can just increase the chilies to your own liking. Let's give this a try. Wow, this is so good. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye!